Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your logo rotate like this. So watch the video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new video of how to make logo animation using Camtasia. So let's go. First of all, you have to open Camtasia. Now click on New Project. And here click on Import Media. Now select two logo to import. Here is the first one. And now click here and go on Import Media. Now select the second logo. And now drag them both on the track 1 and track 2. Now fix the size and replace both of them. And now click on Animation and drag Custom on the first track or first logo. Now drag it to the right and drag this one to the left, and from here make the X360. And now play the video. You can see the logo is moving or rotating. Now let's go towards the next one. Do the same thing with this one as well. Go on Animation and drag Custom on the second logo. Now drag it to the left and here drag it to the right. And here from this part, there's two options of X, Y and Z. They all have their own rotating direction. So we will go with Y and make it 360. Now we will play the video. You can see they both are moving in different direction or different rotating direction. So we will go to add a background video. Go on Media and export a file. And now drag the video on the first track. Zoom out. Now in order to make the logo as long as the video is, we will copy both of them and paste it next to them. Just like that. Copy and right click, paste. Do the same thing again. do the same process again and again, copy and paste them till your logo becomes as long as your video is. As you can see, they both are equal, so we will play the video. You can see they both are rotating in different directions. So if you liked our video, do subscribe to our channel and like our video, and if you have any question regarding to our video, then make sure to ask it on the comment section, and also comment what you want our next video to be.